In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use JungleScout's Chrome extension to easily analyze and find profitable products to sell on Amazon. If you're new to this software or still figuring it out, this video will walk you through the basics and give you everything you need to start using the Chrome extension effectively. Stick around because later in the video, I'll share an exclusive offer to try the tool for free, along with some helpful tips to maximize your product research. Now, first things first. Once you've installed JungleScout's Chrome extension, you're ready to dive into Amazon's marketplace directly from your browser. The main feature of this tool is its ability to give you real-time data for any product page you visit on Amazon. This means you can instantly access key metrics like sales estimates, reviews, price history, and more, helping you make data-driven decisions faster than ever before. When you land on a product page, you'll see the JungleScout icon pop up in the top right corner of your browser. Clicking on this will bring up a panel showing crucial data about the product, such as its monthly sales, revenue, and the number of reviews. This gives you an overview of how the product is performing in real time. For any serious Amazon seller, this is a game changer because it lets you assess the potential of a product instantly without having to go through a bunch of guesswork. One of the most powerful features of JungleScout's Chrome extension is its ability to show a product's sales history. You'll get to see how the product's sales have been trending over time, which is a huge advantage when you're looking to avoid selling something that's currently on a downtrend. It also gives you insights into the product's price fluctuations, helping you spot opportunities for better pricing strategies. Another useful feature is the product tracker. With the Chrome extension, you can track multiple products and monitor their performance over time. This feature is fantastic because it allows you to keep tabs on your competition and see how their products are performing without having to manually check them every single day. JungleScout also provides a product opportunity score, which evaluates products based on demand, competition, and profitability. If you want to find high potential products quickly, this score is super helpful. A high score typically means there's strong demand with low competition, basically a perfect product to consider selling. If you're serious about finding the best product opportunities, the Chrome extension also integrates with JungleScout's larger platform. You can export data from the extension directly into your JungleScout account to analyze it further with their full suite of tools, like the product database and supplier database. This makes it super easy to build a product strategy with the right data. Now, I mentioned earlier that you can try this software for free. Yes, you heard that right. If you click the first link in the description below, you'll get access to JungleScout with an exclusive bonus that will allow you to test out the Chrome extension with no strings attached. This is a great way to see if it's the right fit for your Amazon business before you commit to any paid plans. So, in summary, JungleScout's Chrome extension gives you instant access to critical product data, sales estimates, price history, and competition analysis. It's perfect for Amazon sellers who want to make better, faster decisions based on data, not guesswork. You can track products, analyze sales trends, and even find the most profitable product opportunities with just a few clicks. Make sure to click the first link below to grab your exclusive free trial of JungleScout and start exploring these features for yourself. It's time to level up your Amazon game with data that really works for you. Thanks for watching.